is going on, YouTube? I'm back in my happy place, you guys. We are at the drag strip out here at Kuwait Motor Town. We are at the drag building. You got 1,000 cars plus out here today, you guys. So we're gonna get straight to it. There's a car show over here. There's drag cars everywhere. So this may be in multiple videos, so don't hate me for the same intro for all the videos. We're gonna do drag racing, car show. I'm gonna show you the drag cars. May even talk to some of the owners. Let's get down to it. Everything 1320 happens right here. You guys, I'm gonna start by just showing you some of these drag cars. We have a GTR Motec on all radials with a laptop and a parachute, so you know it means business. We have another one with a carbon drag wing, radials all the way around. This is probably insane. Another GTR. You can see they have to tape the hood because the hood's so light. Radios all around. And then a nice Lambo. You can see Boost Logic exhaust. Waste gates. Another GTR. It would take me forever to go through these cars. Got a ZL1 LT4. I like the rim setup. It's got slicks all the way around too. Another GTR. You can see those are the cars that are actually ready to race. You got a track, another track, a Mustang. But right now we are in GTR heaven for you guys. Another GTR, another GTR, Mustang with some crazy slicks. And we have a C6 Corvette in white. And those are just the cars that are right here. Now that you heard that craziness, I'm gonna continue to show the cars that are here. There are so many cars, it's kind of overwhelming, but I'm gonna get through them the best I can. Bear with me, you guys are gonna see some of the craziest cars you've ever seen in the States or not. Let's go. All right, you guys, I came up on Corvette in a Cadillac on Weld Lagunas, peanut butter inside, super clean color. Let's see if we can, well, these are the two owners, I assume. Oh, my God. Oh, we finna wait and see what it sounds like. He got secret sauce. Twin turbo M5, intakes downpipe. You see nitrous setup, insane. M5. That's crazy. Y'all can see the inside. Boy, all motor versus anyone. ZL1s, C6 ZR1, SS Camaros, the police, more C6s, ZL6s for days. I'm telling you guys, these are some of the craziest cars you are gonna see. We have twins. Bi-turbo garage, we have Mercedes AMGs out here. GTRs on slicks everywhere. Then you'll see your random 488 Ferrari. And you can see we have a purple Z06. Proxies on the rear. Insane color. Another red Z06.
يلا يقول لك جاهز
وانطلق. LT4 lid intake. See what happens. All right, you guys, we have a Hellion twin turbo kit with an intake, and then you have a Whipple Mustang the race feel. We have a F-150 supercharged. The nice Z06
راح ان شاء الله نستمتع
on Well Lagunas
قبل لا يتم
Scat Pack.
ايضا احنا في
For all you Scat Pack boys watching the video, got a bunch of C5s and C6 Z06s.
كذلك معنا
Still walking. I'm telling you, there's so many cars. It's insane. You even have Supras on beadlocks all the way around. Well, beadlocks in the rear and welds in the front. GTRs. I'm telling you, GTR is the most popular car in the Middle East. It has to be. Easily imported. We have a nice Z51 cutout hood with the Holley EFI intake. A ZR1 C6 with the carbon. I'm gonna show you ones that stick out. Oh, that red is crazy. Chick-fil-A. Crazy looking. I'm telling you, there's so many cars. Mustangs, Fox bodies. But we're gonna get up to the cars you guys care about. Now I'm coming up on one of the cleanest Z06s. Yellow Brembos, carbon lip, carbon side skirts. Well Laguna wheels. Insane color setup. Now we're at the cars you guys love the most. Have a Charger, red eye, all blacked out. A nice slim body Hellcat Challenger. A little ugly in a way. Have another Hellcat on 4 stars. A blue red eye. And you guys have seen this before on the channel. He now has front skinnies. Another Hellcat. And we have a, what seems to be a red eye Challenger. Done by SRT Garage, my guys at SRT Garage. Make sure you hit them up on Instagram for all your Mopar needs out here in the Middle East. And I'm telling you, there's so many cars. About to head over to these. Then we have a SRT 392, another Hellcat, and another Hellcat. All by SRT Garage. Another Hellcat. Supers. We got a whole bike gang pulling up. That's crazy. But what I'm about to show you is a beautiful car. We have a dry carbon, right? Dry carbon Porsche GT3 RS in orange. Orange roll cage. Without the carbon options. But it is super, super clean. You can't beat that. Beep, beep, motherfucker! What up, what up? All right, y'all have seen some of the craziest cars. I'm still not done. There's still cars in this line. Whoa, I can't tell. You probably can't even tell. There's a whole line of cars waiting to race. Can't wait to do that video. You guys are gonna see that soon. But I'm gonna show you the rest of the cars that are actually here. And it's a lot. A 911 Turbo S, a Z06 Corvette, J-tuned. I don't know if that's Justin White tuned or who that is. Got a LS3, a ZR1 C6. This is my favorite color on the GTR. This like cinnamon stick, orangish color. Got a boosted Ford F-150. They love the Mustangs and GTRs out here. Then we have a C6 ZR1. This may be coming to the channel. I'm not gonna lie. A C6 may be coming to the channel. Have another Hellcat red eye. 5.0s for days. Crazy C6s on crazy sized tires. Insane. I ain't gonna lie, that looks super aggressive. Let me know in the comments if you're taking a Hellcat.
انطلاقة قوية لفئة
Then we have
200
some
وما زال
Camaros,
79 كيلومتر
Audis,
بالساعة
Audi RS3. You got to be
101.
wary of those RS3s. They'll sneak up on you. Looks like we got it lowered or bagged and boosted. 5.0. No, it's not bagged. It's just lowered. And we have a Tesla. This is funny. It's actually plugged into the only port here. Then we have a crazy, and this is the spec I would get. The white and black is insane on the ZR1s with the carbon. Kong Performance Supercharger with the 360. So guess what? It means business. Then you have Sissio Performance wheels all the way from Georgia on the GTR. Then you have a bunch more trucks. But let's talk about another track car. There's crazy cars. I'm about to get in here. So now that you guys have seen almost every car here, right? As far as race cars, let me know in the comments what your favorite car is. I'll go ahead and tell you now. Mine is between 2, 3. I'll put the Lambo up there because that's crazy. Boost Logic, twin turbo, E85. You don't see that often, right? 2 is the Cadillac because we're twins, right? Crazy, crazy car. And then that purple Corvette. I just like the color. I don't know if it's fast, but the color is crazy. Let me know what you think about Kuwait Motor Towns and Kuwait area race cars. We're gonna go check out some races. Again, my next video is gonna be all the racing. Video after that is gonna be the actual car show. And then who knows what else I got coming. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm getting all the content. Let's go.